What if AI could replace your day job? Artificial intelligence is transforming how we work. In this video, discover the top 3 AI side hustles that are making people thousands per month in 2023. Whether you want to supplement your income or make AI your full-time gig, watch the video till the end. AI side hustle number 1. Build websites for local businesses. Using AI tools, the first AI side hustle we will look at is building websites for local small businesses using AI website builders. Local businesses like dentists, plumbers, lawyers, restaurants and more need websites to reach potential customers and establish their online presence. However, many local business owners lack the skills or time to build professional-looking websites from scratch. This is where you can come in by offering website building services leveraging AI tools. AI website builders like tenweb.io allow you to create responsive, modern websites in minutes without needing to code. With Tenweb, you simply select one of their professionally designed templates, customize it with your client's branding, add their content, and publish the site. The artificial intelligence handles turning your inputs into clean, optimized web pages with excellent page speed. What's great about Tenweb is that it even works with WordPress, which is arguably the best platform for building and managing websites. But what if you're thinking, couldn't the business owner just do all this themselves? Well, that's why it's best to position yourself as a consultant, not just someone who can build a website. Your role is to consult with the local business owner to understand their needs and goals for the site. Then you can use the AI website builder to quickly turn around a site that represents their brand and provides a great user experience, their business revenue. It's important when consulting with the business owner, you focus on how the website can help grow. This is a scalable side hustle because once the site is built, you can continue earning monthly income from web hosting and maintenance fees. Most local business owners will gladly pay these ongoing fees to have their site managed by a professional. Required skills for this side hustle include sales and consultation to get clients, strong knowledge of the AI website builder tool, basic graphic design skills, and some marketing knowledge to optimize the site for search engines. Potential earnings can range from $500 to $5,000+ per website built, depending on the size of the client and the complexity of the project. Ongoing hosting and maintenance fees can bring in $50 to $500 per month per client. AI side hustle number 2. Create children's books using AI writing tools. Another lucrative AI side hustle is using AI writing tools like ChatGPT to easily create children's books that you can self-publish online. There is a huge demand among parents for engaging, high-quality children's books. If you have a knack for coming up with book ideas that will captivate kids, AI can help you quickly turn those ideas into full manuscripts. Here's how it works. Using a tool like ChatGPT, you can describe your book idea, including details like the characters, plot, setting, morale of the story, etc. ChatGPT will generate draft text for the entire book based on your prompts. You can then edit the draft to polish the writing. Next, you can use graphic design software like Canva and AI image generation tools like Artsmart.ai to create illustrations to bring your book to life. Combine the text and images into a printable book file and self-publish your book on platforms like Amazon KDP, Barnes and Noble Press, and more. These platforms allow you to sell both print and ebook versions. The great thing about self-published children's books is you earn royalties of 30 to 70% on every copy sold. If you can create fun book series or recurring characters that kids love, you can build up passive income over time as more books are sold each month. You can also explore getting your books translated into other languages to reach more markets. Skills needed include creative writing expertise, great story ideas, graphic design ability, and knowledge of the self-publishing process. You can potentially earn thousands per month in royalties with a popular series of children's books over time. AI side hustle number 3. Provide multi-language translation services with AI. The third AI side hustle we'll look at is offering translation services to businesses and individuals using AI translation tools. Translation is needed by companies localizing their products and content into new languages. Translation is also needed by individuals for things like translating family letters or translating a website into multiple languages. AI translation tools like DeepL provide amazingly accurate machine translations. While the AI may not be 100% perfect, it gets pretty close in most cases. You can leverage these AI tools to offer fast, affordable translation services. Your process would be to have the client send you the document or text they need translated. You can copy, paste, or upload it into DeepL and get an instant AI-generated translation. From there, you simply need to review it yourself to catch any minor errors and make edits. This still saves huge amounts of time versus manually translating from scratch. Your key skills for this side hustle are fluency in multiple languages and experience using AI translation tools. Find clients by networking, digital marketing, and leveraging freelance sites like Upwork. You can charge per word or hour for your services, earning potential of $1,000 per month. Those are the top 3 AI side hustles that can enable you to earn income online leveraging artificial intelligence in 2023. They range from building websites for local businesses to creating children's books using AI writing tools to providing language translation services with AI. Let's now look at some tips on how to successfully make money online with these and other AI side hustles. Focus on providing real value. The foundation for making any side hustle succeed is providing real value to people. Focus on how you can help businesses and individuals solve problems or meet needs better through your AI services. This mindset will ensure consistent demand. Pick an AI side hustle you are passionate about. It takes hard work to turn any side hustle into a moneymaker. You are more likely to put in that work and succeed if you pick an AI side hustle that excites you and utilizes your unique skills. Play to your strengths to maximize enjoyment and earnings. Sharpen your AI skills and knowledge. Constantly look to expand your knowledge of how current AI tools work so you can better leverage them for your services. Subscribe to AI newsletters, take online courses, and join AI communities to stay on the cutting edge. Being an AI expert will make you stand out. Offer excellent customer service. Delivering an amazing experience and top-notch customer service will not only lead to more sales, but also great reviews and referrals to grow your side hustle. Be known for your responsiveness and consistently exceeding expectations. Market your services extensively. Don't expect clients to magically find your AI services on their own. Strategically market yourself across platforms like your website, online ads, social media, freelance sites, locally and through cold outreach. A steady marketing drive is key. Start small and sustainably. Don't quit your day job right away. Carefully test out your AI side hustle idea on a small scale first to validate it. Once you prove your model, you can gradually build up your client base in a sustainable way. Patience pays off. The AI side hustle opportunities are endless. With the right skills and strategy, you can leverage artificial intelligence to build multiple income streams now and into the future. The time to start making money with AI is now. Choose an AI side hustle you're passionate about, deliver value to others, and put in the work to make it thrive. To learn more ways to make passive income, be sure to watch this video on your screen right now, and I'll see you on the other side.